second-degree murder. She is now getting a minimum sentence of 22 years in prison. But I have a feeling that the judge is going to give her more. Not just because of all the evidence and the guilty verdict, but how she handled herself with everybody. I think he's just going to tie it all together and maybe not max sentence, but he's going to give her more than 22. That's my prediction. So I will be watching with you guys today. I will be small in the corner. I will not interrupt the trial at all. I'm going to be working, but I also will be taking notes. So maybe on their breaks, and then once the sentencing is done, we can come back and talk about everything that went on.
The victim impact statements presented here today, the statements of character witnesses, both orally and in writing, Dr. Harper's report and testimony, the defendant's testimony, pre-sentencing investigation, the arguments of the state and the arguments of the defense. Court pronounces sentence as follows. Ms. Boone, court sentences you to life in the Department of Corrections with credit time served that Madam Clerk will provide to you momentarily. There are also court costs and costs of prosecution, which Madam Clerk will give you the totals of momentarily. Due to the court levying a life sentence, the court is inclined to liquidate those to a civil judgment unless I hear opposition from the state.
No opposition, Your Honor.
All right. Madam Clerk, if you could please give us the credit time served and the court costs, please.
4 years, 9 months, and 8 days, and the court costs are $418, a state prosecution fee of $100, a dirt fee of $50, and a PD. Oh, excuse me, you're not supervised.
I'm right.
So the total would be will come up to $618.
All right, ma'am, the court costs and costs of prosecution are $618. Those will be liquidated to a civil judgment. You will be given credit time served of 4 years, 9 months, and 8 days. You will have 30 days from today to appeal the judgment and sentence in writing. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you. I'm going to have the courtroom deputy provide you the paperwork. Because you've been incarcerated for the last 58 some odd months, the court is going to declare that you are indigent in this matter. I cannot appoint the public defender to represent you as they are conflicted out. Similarly, I cannot appoint the regional conflict counsel to represent you for the same reasons. The clerk will appoint an attorney from the conflict wheel who specializes in appellate litigation. And again, you'll have 30 days from today to appeal that judgment and sentence in writing. Do you have any questions for me? You will now be remanded into the custody of the Orange County Jail to transfer you to the Department of Corrections, and I wish you the best of luck. State, anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Defense, anything further?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you all very much. Court's off the record.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll be able to. I'll be able to.
You might be right. It's not that one. It's not the same one.
She's on her way.
Okay. Can you just give me a heads up when they get her here?
Yeah, I got you.
I gotta go down and see her real quick. All right. Start.
I just didn't know, sometimes they do it on weekends, they're doing it right now. Yes. Do you mind sitting?
They're gonna go ahead and get me signed document before she leaves. Oh, is that it? Can I see if she? Is this it? Can I record?
No. No, that's the other one.
It's the wrong one. Just hold on. All you gotta do is sign. I'll help you. There's a special contingency form for the appeal. She's got to sign. This is the one for the court. To begin with. Kill it. Okay, let's just use this one. Sarah,
You order her phone. I'll sit when I watch
Is this the one for, Madam Clerk, is this the one for the appeal?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's signing it now, for you?
Perfect, thank you. Yeah, we'll file it, and then he already ordered to appoint another attorney, so.
Okay.
I can give you the copy of
Printed one out just in case.
Yeah, is this what you emailed me?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, it's the order probation.
you have Portuguese?
Yes, I do.
I mean, if her trial is gonna go, then she may come back and do that. Because I understand, like, she has two traffic.
Hopefully I'll be kind of
Traffic is like, so long as they're not. I think we know it's not gonna be ready to do it. Yeah. Yes, we're, all right. Exactly.
I want the person name. The person name.
Miss Nichols.
What about Gary?
This is very lateral.
He bring him up.
We had several, because we had, so we had, so we had twice.
Okay, so he hasn't signed it, I'll give you this.
Jared out here, he got.
But, the only difference between this one and the one that yes.
Ernest Garrett.
And the only difference is gonna be, I think, that, your